Welcome to this meditation practice. I'm Nidra, your guide. This Akasha Pranayam Meditation comes from the Raja lineage. This practice is not necessarily easy or natural for many, as we explore coming into a sense of spaciousness. If it feels a challenge, please be kind with yourself and with the practice, and come to it as often as you can to learn to move towards this sense of greater space within, without, and through your life. You can do it in any position that feels comfortable for you to relax. To allow yourself to relax and come to your best place of stillness, allowing for your natural breath and any other natural bodily movements to occur. Let your eyes rest closed. And just take a few moments, letting your body settle with the eyes closed and that different sense of awareness. Maybe hearing the sounds in your space and through my mic. Letting your body just settle into the soundscape. And maybe noticing your physical body just start to soften a little bit. Allowing your physical body to just rest a little more. Maybe you want to move something, yawn, any extra movement to let your body just soften down and open a little more. Just letting everything fall towards the earth and open. You may be aware of the gentle movement of your breath. How this movement is very fine and quiet. And you can allow your breath to just be light, to be natural. And be aware of the stillness around the rest of your body. And just holding in your awareness that movement of your breath and the stillness of your whole body. And gently bring your awareness to the breath in your nose, moving up your nostrils to the third eye, and down and out of the third eye through your nostrils. Just observe that breath through the nose up to the third eye and out. Now as you breathe in, noticing that little hover maybe in your breath and the space behind the third eye in the middle of the mind. Starting to allow your awareness to rest in the middle of your mind. Perhaps noticing a vast inner space in the middle of the mind. And allow your breath to become so quiet as you breathe into the middle of your mind. And in that space, allow an atom to reveal itself to you. A 90% space. And the gentle movement of the proton, the neutron, moving in space in the middle of your mind. Focus your awareness on the space between the elements. And welcome what is in the space. Be aware of the vast space within all of you. Allow yourself naturally to be taken out into the expanse of space. experiencing being of space. And allowing yourself to rest in this space. Begin to become aware of the sounds in your room and through my mic. Maybe becoming aware of your breathing and its movement in your body. When you're ready, start to gently move your body, maybe rubbing your fingers and thumbs. As you begin to move your thumb over your fingers, maybe wiggling your toes, starting to come back into your space. You may wish to gently let your hands come to your face, starting to ground you back into your day, lightly tapping across the tops of the cheekbones, or giving yourself a hug. Take your time and make sure that you really are physically present in your felt sense body before you continue with your day. And have a most wonderful day.